Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Once we move into the new year and resolutions become action items, holding yourself accountable can help you stick to your goals and start the year off on a progressive note. When it comes down to it, each zodiac sign struggles with productivity in a different way, so having an arsenal of 2020 productivity hacks for your zodiac sign is key to tuning into your strengths and fulfilling your new year intentions. Bustle reached out to astrologer Kyle Thomas for advice, and according to him, we're lucky to have the cosmos aligned in a way that's supportive of productivity for all signs, early in the year. The combination of your sign's unique astrological personality and the ways in which extra-planetary motions affect your sign's mentality will play large roles in your ability to be proactive in 2020. That said, while the cosmos might play into your momentum, or lack thereof, there's nothing that you can't overcome. For example, even though some signs will be dealing with retrogrades that work against their efforts, they have the opportunity to plan ahead before the obstacles get in their way. Plus, having a few straightforward hacks on hand that enhance your routine or challenge your professional game will help you slay your resolutions and make 2020 your most productive year yet. Here's how each sign can ride the waves of cosmic energy like a pro. Aries, Ma. 21 April. 19. According to Thomas, 2020 is going to be a big progress year for you, with Jupiter, planet of fortune, smiling on your goals. AKA, don't shy away from larger goals, you have luck on your side and should feel confident going after big things. Productivity hack to consider: delegation. Learn how to delegate throughout this year whenever you are in charge. If you are able to tackle more through teamwork, this will increase your productivity, Thomas suggests. Taurus, April 20 May 20th. 2020 is going to be a surprising year for you, as you'll accomplish more than you even hoped to, according to Thomas. Jupiter, planet of miracles, is residing in your sector of expansion. The more you step out of your comfort zone, the more happiness you can bring to your career and plans, he explains. Productivity hack to consider: get in touch with your higher self. Highly productive people find time for meditation and spiritual growth. Be sure to devote time to your evolution so that you can work better throughout the year, Thomas tells Bustle. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th. Though Thomas says to beware Mercury retrogrades in 2020, as it's Gem's planetary ruler, and that the second part of the year is going to bring you lots of productivity and movement, so consider how you've been scheduling your time. Productivity hack to consider: unplug. Unsubscribe and unfollow people and accounts who are creating clutter in your mind, Thomas suggests. Also, turn off smartphone notifications or put them on a do not disturb lock. Cancer, Jun. 21 July. 22. According to Thomas, Cancer is going to have a lot of ups and downs with their careers this year, so it's important to keep a level head and a steady productivity practice. Though this year's retrogrades will surely complicate things and trigger your frustration, nothing too detrimental will happen if you keep your cool. Productivity hack to consider: ask for support. Utilize collaboration whenever you can in 2020. This will be a time when you can achieve so much more by not working alone, Thomas says. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Of all the zodiac signs, you are the most blessed when it comes to work and productivity in 2020, Leo. Congratulations, you've worked hard to get where you are, and even bigger horizons are ahead. Jupiter, the planet of miracles, is helping you take on more projects that can truly help you, Thomas tells Bustle of Leo's lucky year ahead. But while the stars are in your favor, you still have to keep your productivity high to ensure you reap these benefits. Productivity hacks to consider: keep it moving. Exercise will help you be more productive all around. Stretching, yoga, or an hour of movement a day will help you knock out your goals, Thomas suggests. Virgo, August 23 September 22. Virgos all groan when they hear Mercury retrograde is back because this planet is their solar ruler. Sorry to say, we will have even more in 2020 and you will feel it very significantly, Thomas warns. Don't worry, though, you will rise and grow. He goes on to explain that to balance out the complications of retrograde, Virgos have a great start for the new year to look forward to, with excellent goal-achieving momentum behind them. Productivity hack to consider: get artsy. Allow yourself time to be expressive and creative, because this will unlock your productive powers throughout the year. You have to allow your more artistic side to emerge to keep yourself fresh in all areas, Thomas tells Bustle. Libra, September 23 October 22nd. Jupiter, planet of fortune, is smiling on your home and domestic sector this year, and that means it's an excellent time to work from home. Not only do the stars say you can make more money if you do so, but you can make a ton of progress, too, Thomas tells Bustle. That said, working from home isn't always easy for Libra, so it's important to have a very strong professional routine to keep yourself on track while you're out of the office. Productivity hack to consider: create a home office. Keep your space organized and free of clutter. If you are able to be home and not feel stressed, you will be more productive throughout the year, Thomas explains. Scorpio, October 23 November 21st. Get ready for a highly communicative year. Read deals, 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 Scorpio, because Jupiter is smiling on this very special sector for you. This means that you're going to be able to represent yourself eloquently and progressively, which could lead to major career peaks if you stay productive. Productivity hack to consider: be your own publicist. Update your presentation materials, whether business cards or website. Your marketing and self-promotion in 2020 will be really helpful to you, Thomas suggests. Sagittarius, November 22 December 21st. According to Thomas, your income will increase in 2020, with Jupiter, planet of miracles, on your side. This means that the harder you work, the more you can generate, so go for the gold. Uranus, planet of change, is in your sector of productivity this year, and it's saying that you should try something new when it comes to your routine. Productivity hacks to consider: stay focused, all the time. Make sure everything you do relates to your goals and is building your long-term wealth. If you increase your stability this year, you will feel more secure every year that follows, Thomas suggests. You might want to journal each morning about your goal, to create a ritual that directs your focus. Capricorn, Dec. 22 January 19th. Jupiter, planet of luck, takes 12 years to go around the sun, and this year it is in your zodiac sign, bringing you magic in every way. This is a year of many new beginnings, and you can make many wonderful dreams come to life, Thomas predicts for Caps. Knowing that the odds are in your favor should give you the confidence you need to go after the larger goals on your list. Productivity hack to consider: shake it up. Recreate yourself in the way that the world sees you. Wake up early in order to do some strategic brainstorming several times a week so you can tangibly see how each day you are crushing your goals, Thomas says. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. According to Thomas, productivity is highly favored for Aquarius in 2020 when they are working alone or behind the scenes, which might mean you switch up your position or job. That's because Jupiter, planet of luck, is in your sector of privacy, Thomas adds. Productivity hack to consider: look back on the past to learn about the future. Reflect on what you have learned in the past decade and what projects you want to develop, Thomas says. Pisces, Feb. 19 Ma. 20. Pisces are dreamers, and fortunately, according to Thomas, 2020 is going to be a really fruitful year for them. Jupiter, planet of miracles, is in your sector of friendships, communities, and ambitions. You will make a lot of progress both personally and professionally, so aim high, Thomas suggests. Productivity hack to consider: hit up happy hour with coworkers. Use your networking skills to crush your goals. Find ways to make your contacts and community explode with major power players who can lift you higher, Thomas tells Bustle. It can be easy to feel discouraged when you fall behind with your resolutions, but it's important to remember that healthy goals are not static goals. Your resolutions deserve the right to evolve over time, so allow yourself to edit your list along the way.